What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys liked that little bit of an intro. So today we're cutting holes and stuff, big old holes with no supports, because that's what we do, redneck shit. So yeah, today we're with my buddy Logan, and he's got this 2-car garage, and it's got this little lean-to off the side.
She was built in the 60s, that's for sure.
And it's kind of useless. It only had this little door. It only had that little door to get in over here. So now we cut a hole there. We're gonna put a header in there and make it a decent sized opening. Maybe get the lawnmower over here and stuff like that. So just gonna kind of take you with us on the journey. We're also, you know, just don't mind me kicking stuff. We're gonna be insulating everything and putting some foam board up top. Kind of show you what we got here. So there's a lot of the foam that's going to be going up in the roof. Truck bed's full insulation. All the sheeting. Random wood to make some shelves. It's got a little more tongue weight now, I think. Now that I took some stuff off. Oh yeah, it's better. But yeah, so hope you guys are going to enjoy this. Stick around and we'll just keep you updated. What do we got? We are at 78 and 7/8. Uh-oh. The old battery's dying. Alrighty. Well,
We skipped a step for you guys, but
we got our header in. All the way back down. So that is a finished opening. That's cool. Definitely opens
feels like we know what the fuck we're doing.
Yeah, definitely opens the old garage up. The maybe at some point finish the old outside of her, but hey, that'd be all right. So I guess now we can just get on to. We gotta do a little bit of cleanup.
A lot of cleanup,
and then we'll pick back up with you guys when we start insulating this place. Alright, so we've been working on this for about an hour or so. Give you a little progress update. So we got, well, I stacked all the insulation in front of it, but we got that wall insulated and done. Oh, back behind there. We're only using 1/4 inch OSB. It's really, I mean, it's just to make it look aesthetically pleasing. But there's that header again. And then down here, Logan is these are non-insulated garage doors, so he's insulating them. got this, it's like a probably 2.5 inch thick foam. It's like a sticky like backing on it. So it's very sticky. Here's some that's pulled off. So, you know, get out of there. But yeah, that's a little progress update. It's just kind of slow going. So we got like all these, like these are screws that I've had to take off that broke, but just stuff that's been hanging on the walls for forever. So it's kind of slow going, but we'll get there. We will get there. Alrighty, so that's gonna be the end for day one on this project. Kind of show you what we got done. Not that much, but a decent amount. It's pretty much that side wall going all the way to the door. Then we got all that foam put on the garage door and then over there. So we got a pretty decent amount done for today. Alright, so it's been, what, a week and a half, 2 weeks?
Yeah, we've been fucking on.
It's been a while. As you can see, there's a lot done. Definitely a lot more than where he left off. I don't know, did you record anything?
What?
Did you record anything?
A little bit.
A little bit? Alright, so we might have some stuff, we might not. But, so yeah, it looks really good. He ended up actually, he went and got a new wood stove. So, you know, concrete board in the corner. That was what he was working with, but came out pretty good. Just need to put some shelves up and a couple things together and came out good. Alright, so show you kind of what we got going on here. We got this thing put together, and a like I said before, he went and got a one of the pneumatic hydraulic presses instead. It's a nice little upgrade, but the problem with it is the other one you're supposed to run bolts. Oh geez, this thing won't focus. There we go. You're supposed to run bolts down through the bottom of the jack, and this one you can't. So we're just gonna kind of leave it there like that, and just run a little tack, I don't know, 3/4, 1 inch weld right there. Grind that paint off, and then it'll be set to go.
I didn't even turn the welder up like I should have.
Nope, but that's plenty enough. It freaking holds it. That's all it needs to do.
Let's see if I can get these remotely closed. Oops.
Son of a bitch! God damn it!
Son of a bitch. Let's see. Which one would that be?
Not that one, it's the other one.
Good thing I bought some more of these.
I mean, they're flickering a little bit, but nothing like they were.
That kind of looks like shit. Guess as long as it...
Oh yeah. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, so that's going to do it for this one. We got this thing all finished up. I'll show you that real quick.
Fucking bit.
All the walls are done. Everything got cleaned up. And,
About as good as she's gonna look.
stopping in for the first time, like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.